What happens when you replace all drinks with water? The sweetness of carbonated beverages or other flavored drinks can be enticing, but is it wise to replace them with water? While many of these beverages plaster tall claims about them being healthy and hydrating, one cannot overlook the benefits of plain simple water. There is a great difference between drinking plain water and choosing other beverages. So, what happens to your body when you replace all other drinks with water? Let's have a look. Water detoxifies your body effectively. Adding various detoxifying drinks to your diet like green tea may help in the detoxification process, but only if taken in a limited quantity. But if you replace these detoxifying drinks with water, it not only cleanses your body better, but aids digestion and keeps your kidneys clean. Water has the essential nutrients that are required for a healthy body, and no other drink can replace them. Water flushes out harmful substances from the body, making your internal system clean. Increases metabolism. Drinking water speeds up the metabolism, which in turn increases energy levels. This is why it is advised by the health experts to drink water more frequently, as it provides you energy and you stay active during the day. According to a study, there is a direct link between low metabolic rate and decreased kidney function. In case kidneys don't get the required amount of water, their functioning gets impaired. Water is required to remove toxins from kidney, and dehydration can cause various health issues. Also, drinking water aids weight loss, as water is a natural appetite suppressor which stabilizes metabolic rates. You tend to eat less and lose extra kilos.
If you're enjoying, like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps my work a lot. And don't forget to activate the bell to receive all notifications. Thanks.
Aids cognitive skills. Considering the fact that 70% of our body is comprised of water, drinking it is certainly beneficial for the body. Our brain is comprised of 85% of water, and lack of water can impact your concentration, memory, brain fatigue, headache, and can even cause sleeping issues. So, by drinking water, you fuel up our brain, and it works efficiently. Hair and skin benefits. Hair and skin cells also require an adequate amount of water to function properly. If you are drinking ample amounts of water, it will leave your skin glowing and spot-free, and will make your hair shinier. Hydrated skin will be more radiant and fresh. Dehydration can lead to dry and flaky skin, which in turn can also lead to early aging.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.